So hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about how you can create sessions by using Codeschool app. So let's log in with our previous account which we created in the last video. Now we have already set up our profile. Now we'll be creating sessions by going into the sessions page. Now we have different kinds of sessions categories, like we have text queries, packages, digital product, webinar, and one-on-one call. So let's create a one-on-one call session by clicking on this create button, or you can create it by from here. Just go and select this one. So the type is one-on-one call. I can title the session name. Let's say it is a code walkthrough. I can specify that. Now you can specify the duration of call. Let's suppose it is 30 minutes. You can specify the amount that you want to ask for. You can also specify the custom time and the custom price for your session. Let's say I want to have a custom price of $50. So this will be the custom price for this session. You can ask the questions from the invitee or whoever is taking up this session. You can ask the questions. If I click on this add question, so you can ask or add any question that you want to ask from the person who is taking this session. Let's say I want to ask what is the code about. Let's say I'm asking this question. I can make it required or anything that you want to. If you want to make it optional, so you can leave this check. Otherwise you can click on this check to make this question required. I can click on this add button and this question will be added. Similarly, you can add extra questions that you want to add. Now I can create this by clicking on this add session button. I can see we have this message, session added successfully. You can also clicking on next and customize its description if you want. If you want to give any extra description about your session, so you can do that. So let's say I have this it is a code walkthrough of any project. Session, let's try that. You can make it hidden if you want, if you don't want it to be public. So for now, so you can make it hidden as well, so it will be private and it will not be shown to the public. I can make it updated. Let's say date. I can go to the session. I can see it is $50. Now by going into my profile, I can see this session will be added in our profile page. If I go down, you can see we have this code walkthrough and the pricing and what type of session it is. So it is a video meeting, so it is written here. We can book this if you want, so anybody can book this session. If you go into the page, I can see we have this, and now we can select the date and whatever the timing is, and then we can confirm the details. Let's say I want to book a session for 9:30 a.m. and confirm the details. I can put the name of the person who's taking that. So this is an example of showing how you can book a session basically. So all these details are necessary because you see this question which we added in our session while we were creating that. So what is the code about? This question is now asked from the user. Since it was a required question, so it is filled with red because we haven't filled anything. After that, after filling all these details, so we can confirm and pay, and we can also pay it offline if you want. So if somebody has paid offline by cash or through any other method, so we can also provide that information. Let me just put some sample username, Aman Sharma, aman@gmail.com. It is in Python. We can put any phone number that you want to add. Let's say I'm adding any sample phone number. I can click on this confirm and pay, then that payment will be initiated. Payment page will be initiated. Otherwise I can pay it offline if you want. So I can clicking on this confirm and pay. It will redirect me to this payment page where I can fill my card details and pay that. So this is actually it. So this is how we can actually book a session, and after that after you pay that amount, then that session will be added into your dashboard. So it will be added in the bookings field. So right now I'll not be doing that, so let me just remove it. This is the only thing that I wanted to tell you about. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.